Hey guys,
big
and welcome
logs.
to crap. I don't remember what part this is. I've only uploaded episode 2.
We just figured out this is the one who killed us.
No,
He looks like the guy who knocked us off. Be gone, demon.
stop it. Alright, so we were exploring and we got Hayden the gun. First of all, Hayden has the gun.
Hands
now.
up.
Wait, show
Hands
it off.
up.
Yep.
Hands up.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, was it a good idea to give Hayden a gun?
Probably
Hey,
not.
put your gun down. Put your gun. I'll put my gun down if you put your gun down. Deal?
Okay, 3, 2,
2, 1.
Okay. We also explored this cave a little
Guys,
bit.
I got a gift.
We came back out though.
Guys, I got a gift.
And we're going to go back in to explore it now. And sadly we're without Evan because he can't play.
I may have trapped him. Oh, he's still alive. How is he still alive?
That's a woman. See? Boobies.
Oh, boobies. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I already start stabbing it.
Got it.
I got it. I'm not collecting that stuff.
God.
It gives you extra health. There we go.
Okay. You guys ready?
No.
I am never ready. Let's go.
Where'd you guys even find the flashlight at?
Oh yeah, Hayden doesn't have the flashlight.
I don't
Wait,
even know where we
guys,
found
you
that.
don't go
I
that
know
way.
where
You
it
go
is.
this.
Hey, the stuff
Guys,
here.
this way. We already looted this.
Let's here again.
Watch out, watch out.
Ew.
Oh, I hate that every time.
You've only seen it once.
No, I saw it last time.
Yeah, once.
Oh,
This is the second time.
that scared me so bad.
Oh yeah, that's.
Why is there like arms?
Because it's a monster, obviously.
It's a gross
So dumb.
door blocking monster. Okay, we haven't gotten to this point though.
I have no clue what was past that.
The
Please
twins
go
might
up
be.
and left.
The twins might be down here.
It's a guy. Sydney behind you. Sydney behind you.
Shoot his head.
In the head.
Okay.
I don't think it killed him.
No,
Oh no,
it
it
did.
did. That's surprising. They normally don't die to headshots. Okay, chop
Okay,
him up.
go.
Okay,
There's
there's a finger
another
guy.
one.
This finger guy. We should blow him up. I got this though. Trust. Trust the
Trust him.
process.
Is that guy blind?
That's a blind guy. Yeah, they're all blind.
Ow.
Finger guy's dead.
Oh, what is that?
Bitch.
I got him in the head. Where'd that guy go? Yeah. Oh, he
Chop the
chopped
head
off
off.
his
Wait,
head.
there's hair. Wait, it has hair. Probably because it's supposed to be a woman. Okay, chop it up.
Guys, I think we just
Oh,
found.
wait.
I
I
think
forgot
I
about
found the
Landon.
paper that led to a hint.
Landon.
Guys, it
fine, I don't
highlighted it incomplete document.
Landon.
Guys, it highlighted it.
Okay, I'll just chop it up. I
Guys,
guess.
so I read a paper that said
My workers
It
are having a
it
lot of
said-
trouble getting anywhere inside these
yeah,
caves in complete
incomplete
darkness. We need
so
more
that
light
was
and
highlighted and
this
Christmas
the
tree.
hazard.
Nice. Oh God.
Guys, stay back. I
Ow.
got a time
Oh, God.
bomb.
Don't
Guys, you want me to
land
throw it?
Landon,
No, don't
we're
throw
already
it.
fighting them. Don't. Ow. Fuck. I got you, Hayden.
I'm alive. How is this possible?
I saved you. That's how.
Okay, time to pull out the big boy.
No, it's dead. It's dead.
No, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this.
Dead.
Fingers guy. Where's this fingers guy? I missed all 3 shots. 4 shots.
Don't waste your ammo.
I don't know. Oh my God! Another
Whoa.
finger. I hear Sid.
That was me.
No,
It's dead.
Why does it look like spider webs come out every time you kill it?
Guys, remember the Forest Forest when that used to be the scariest monster? Oh my god,
What
the
used to
twins
be.
again?
Oh my god, why are there so many? Like, why do they keep coming to us? Oh my god. I can't. I
think
keep
one's a
charging
female.
in.
I think one's a female. Thank you. Dude, I've
Oh,
done
yeah.
something.
Shot one in the head.
Does it kill both, or does it just kill one?
They should help kill both.
Oh my god!
I'm just shooting it with a bow.
Anyone?
That ammo back. It's dead. Ready?
Should probably get moving before more spawn.
Yeah, they just keep showing up.
I have so much
Like,
ammo
why
on
didn't
me.
they show up before?
I have so much creepy ammo.
We got like none.
Dude, I wasted all my creepy armor because I kept getting.
Yeah.
I would go in my inventory, equip it, and then just get molested. I probably shouldn't. I should probably cut that word out of the video.
And then
You
I
guys
just get.
ready?
Okay, yeah. Let's get a move on.
What the heck was that?
That was me.
That sound was you.
Yeah, I was running into ropes and stuff.
Okay, that's a lot
So
of...
I swear, if there are any babies down here,
Wait, what's this?
They're in a box.
Okay. Looks like they had some evil plans.
it's weird.
Oh, they wanted to trap the guys, possibly, for like entertainment.
It looks more like some sort of like native drawing or something like that the cannibals might have done. Also, that kind of makes sense why the mutants and the cannibals wouldn't get along if they're like somehow like the workers. Maybe.
Grab out your.
Molotov. I can't get my explosive out. Oh god,
I
crap!
can.
I don't have my
I have
Lighter
an
out.
Where is
explosive.
it?
use it.
Okay, I threw it. Back up.
Oh, okay, yeah, they're. Oh, thank God they started running just then.
Did it kill
to
him?
kill him, yeah.
Baby, baby, baby.
Whoa! Of course the
I
babies
threw
are
a
down here.
bomb.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Dude, I hated these in the first game. They're so fucking ugly. Creepy armor.
Oh my god, why do the babies do so much damage?
Ah! No, I just went into my inventory. Stop it. Die. Just die. Just fucking die.
I think we killed it.
Dude, rocks just dropped from the ceiling in front of me.
So that's nice.
I want a katana or something so bad.
I think there is one in this game. I heard. From
Oh,
what
I thought it was
heard-
just a machete.
Nah. Pretty sure they have another. They have one again.
Yeah, I want
I just
like
don't know
a
how to
good
get
weapon.
it.
I want to find a good weapon down here, so it's not just useless coming down here.
I think each cave has something special.
What the heck?
Throw the bomb. Throw a bomb. Throw a
there's-
bomb. Hurry.
I have
Hurry.
one. Guys, I can throw one. Want me to
You-
throw it?
Did you, yeah.
Okay, throwing it.
Okay, you throw it.
Watch out.
Oh,
I have a little turtle.
it dies. Is that how it looks when it
Yeah.
dies?
It does that when it dies for some reason.
Hey, you
I want
guys-
to add the grenades to my. No, don't replace the cross.
Yeah, I'm just gonna skin it. What was that?
I killed two of those.
Were they fingermen? Or
Yeah, I killed two of them.
nice.
Cause they were like really close together, so I just do it.
Die. Chop you up. There we go. Hit him.
He's dead. There's another person.
Oh! Wait. Yeah, just fight this one. Oh, I'm gonna shoot it. I'm not. I missed. No, I missed again. But yeah,
He just took off
working.
all of my armor.
He
I can't
killed
see
me.
my. There it is.
too strong.
It's dead.
Finally.
We can fight like one at a time,
Skin.
but definitely not two. Oh, I actually found my arrow. Let's go.
Guys, keep going.
Wait, let me.
Does it look like that?
What's that up there?
What?
Is that like a light? What is that?
I don't know. There's.
Some sort of light. Oh
Like a
no.
person.
It
It's
looks
a
like that
light
gold-
stuck in
It looks
the
like some of
web.
that gold stuff's in that web
No, it's.
stuff.
Oh, wait. We can
Oh
do
no, it is a
something.
light.
Oh, we can turn it off and on.
Oh, yeah, that's not
It
important.
was stuck in the web.
I don't know why, because it's
Oh,
the option
that's
to turn it off.
That's what the finger guy did. Because the finger guy shoots webs, it looks like.
Oh, that makes sense. If he's the one doing it. Yeah. It's like kind of like saliva, too. You know?
I want
It's like a
to
mix
go
of
back.
that.
Dude, there's so many.
Oh, no.
No.
No. Die. Fucking die. Fucking baby swear at me. Ah. Die. I don't like you.
I don't like how they
Nope.
take so many
But-
hits to die.
Yeah, they used to only take like one hit.
Yeah, you could kill him with a rock back then.
Oh my. These things. Oh, there's another one. Die. Stupid. Die. Oh, I think they're dead.
Why are all these guys hanging? Like, normally that's just the cannibals that do that.
I don't know.
Guys, we barely see cannibals anymore. We just see mutants.
Cannibals aren't down
You
here.
guys still follow me?
There's no other way to go.
But backwards.
Ew.
Don't hit those.
I
Could
don't
be
see
like
you.
Halo. I mean, it could be like Halo where
No, man,
you
don't
break
remind me of
them
that.
and
Don't
then
remind
tons of
me of
little
that.
baby spiders come out.
Ramen noodles. And I'll drink an energy drink. Nice.
Guys, there's two ways we can go.
This way.
Sorry, my dog just came in my room.
Your dog?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a dead end.
No? Can't you break these?
Newspaper
Nope.
clippings. Missing CEO.
Ammo! 39
I got a missing
ammo.
CEO here.
Look, I got ammo in here.
Ooh, yes.
Where's the
Ammo.
plane? Stop pushing.
Stupid ass. Where did you go? Fucking die! They killed me.
I
They
could drink
killed me.
something.
They killed you?
I got killed by a baby. Why do I have the paper out again? I got
Crush
killed
me.
by a baby. I hate these fucking babies.
There's all water down here. This way.
Nah, I'm gonna go this way.
To the left, it's
Oh,
dead
it
end.
leads to the same place. Might be something here. Be careful. Baby.
Hey!
Again.
You drunk.
These motherfuckers.
Sorry,
Ow,
you keep
dude,
getting in
you
my
keep
way.
doing all my health. Maybe that's how the babies killed me.
Does that one even have... I think that one had a wiener.
Jesus Christ. It's an
No, it's
umbilical
an
cord.
umbilical
It's don't- I think that one had a wiener.
You gotta leave that part in.
No.
I'm leaving that in.
Guys, why is there so
Fine,
much?
that's staying in.
I can't
This-
get this guy. He's stuck in a corner.
If he's
I-
stuck in a corner, then you can't.
I barely
Bitch.
got it. I
Stay
barely
away
got
from
his
me.
butt cheek.
Guys?
Stay away from
Guys,
me.
there's something this way. Guys, there's a crawl tunnel this way.
Yeah, I said let's go this way.
What about that way?
No, then we'll go that way. We can get so lost.
Where is this even gonna lead anywhere?
I don't know.
It,
It does. What? Oh,
it just leads us back. It just leads us around.
Oh, it's just another way in. Around.
oh, come on, my flashlight died. Guys, stay still.
Oh yeah, look, I was right.
I'm
What?
just gonna use the light off.
Yo, I just found something.
The zipline gun!
Yeah.
And stun gun ammo. Something down there.
Hey, who wants to test this?
Guys, we were gonna
Oh,
have a bunch of those around our base.
Oh shit! Ow.
What?
Oh no, it is a cave exit, guys. It's a
Dave.
cave exit.
And wait until we get out.
What? Why?
Because there's a cave exit.
Exit? Okay, fine, I'll go back and join.
Oh wait, it's raining. It is really raining. Holy.
Okay, guys, wait for me.
Oh my god.
Hey, wait for me at the top.
No, I'm going.
Hey, wait for me.
What the fuck is that? Oh my. Oh god.
Come
No.
on, Landon.
Stay away from me, please. Please don't hurt me. No, 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 no. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. I'm gonna set up the tarp real quick. I'm setting up the tarp. Oh god. I'm a little bit away from the. Oh my god! Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
What?
Hey, come on.
Stay away.
Go.
No, 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 no. Ow. Die. Die. Oh my god. Oh my. Fuck, 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 fuck.
I'm on my way up.
No.
I'm climbing out. I'm climbing out.
No, no, back away. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Hayden, come on. Help.
What is that?
They're right
The
there.
twins.
And the finger man. Got these two pairs of twins. Watch out.
Oh, I remember the finger guy got down.
TunePocket.com. Unlimited royalty-free music for videos and media projects.
so far away from... Wait, no,
They're
it's actually
spawn.
not. Never mind, it's actually closer to our shelter. During all that.
I'm gonna use a
Landon.
meal.
Landon.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Hayden.
What did
I
he do?
don't-
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Okay, can I just see
Keep moving. Don't stop.
I need to.
I need to
I'm dying.
no,
oh my god.
where do these guys keep coming from? I got you, Landon.
I need to
Oh,
take
his
a
freaking
meds
armor
and-
stopped the bullet.
Let me grab my weapon quick before I die.
Okay, I'll try to protect you.
Okay, let me take a meal quick.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god, I swear if he hits Landon. Oh my god, he just took down all my health in a second.
He killed me.
I got you.
Dude, that guy was glowing. Dude, we should have left the cannibals. Or the mutants.
We should have ran once we saw the mutants and just saved somewhere else.
Oh no, there's more. There's more. Oh no, I think
Just
that's a
run,
brute.
just run, just run.
Landon.
Landon, run.
It's animal whatsoever.
Can. Food.
Oh, this is good
it
music
food
right
heal?
now.
Ooh, ammo. We can sleep heal.
Yeah, let's sleep here real quick.
Oh,
We pop meds. Oh,
Sleep, guys. Sleep.
I'm sleeping.
I
It
saw
should.
them
These. It
outside
should.
our camp.
It should.
What was that noise?
Well, yeah, what the fuck was that? Ah!
I saved. Oh, it's this guy.
There's another one. It's in the bushes.
I chopped off his arm. Both arms. I chopped off both arms.
Dude, we're gonna get raided once we get back to the base, aren't we?
We
Just
shouldn't go
leave.
back. We shouldn't go back.
I don't know what to do.
No, just leave as soon as we
Okay,
get
so I'm gonna
back.
save real quick, actually.
Guys, leave as we get back.
Yeah. We can't do this without Evan.
Guys, we need to get
God.
to our base.
We'll try to scare him off with the skull. Okay, let's go.
Let me
Okay,
grab a
go.
gun out. Let me grab my gun. I'm tired of these guys.
Back off. Back off, man. You want this trouble. Okay, never mind. What'd you shoot at?
I can't. I will.
Okay.
Chopped off your own, buddy. I'll leave him to suffer.
Guys, keep running. Keep running.
Wait, I'm out of here.
Don't go back. Don't. We need
Is
like
it
a
a-
second. We need like a secondary base that we can just go
Sid, if you
to.
chop his
You know what I mean, Sid?
just leave him to suffer.
Like we need a secondary base that's not close enough to our other one that they can
Sid, if
destroy.
you chop their limbs off,
How do they go so fast? We've killed over like 200
Definitely
at
more than that.
least.
With off camera and on camera. Definitely more than 200.
And there's a few guys behind you.
I've worn them off with the skull, but
guys, meals.
don't have that out right now.
Guys, get those meals, the energy balls.
Oh, that's a little scary. I'm gonna go the other way. They're behind. Some of them are behind me.
There's one in front of you.
In front of me.
Like to your right or left. Your left. One in the bushes.
It's a little scary.
We should use our sleds to go down the hill.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, Landon, you fighting someone?
Oh yes, my block actually walked.
Oh, nice. Meds. Farewell. Love you to saying goodbye. Whee!
Dude, I swear if I get stinking ambushed.
Whee! Oh my god, I'm flying. Whee! Whee!
How do you use it again?
You jump and then press.
Oh my god, I'm actually. Oh, I just hit a rock, of course. Say, oh my god, I'm actually going really far. Then I hit a rock.
And to
I hit a
keep
rock
going,
again.
just shake your go W and B. Click them both. And it keeps
Ow.
you going.
Whee! Whee!
I hit a tree again. Dude, there's so many trees. We need to clear out a spot where we can actually go sledding.
I'm
That's
going
what we should
backwards.
do.
Oh.
See, we should make a sledding ramp.
Instead of getting off this island. Sledding ramp!
I mean, we're technically not trying to get off this island, we're trying to find a billionaire.
Oh my, oh yeah, instead of finding the billionaire, oh my god, I am flying down the river. Oh, oh, I hit a rock. No, I hit a rock.
Dude, I keep getting stuck on these stinking rocks and trees.
Just do it. Clevin should be hidden still. I think he's still staying hidden if he's being a
No,
good boy.
he's not. He's not. He's just walking around.
He's not being a good boy.
No, he is.
Crap.
Take a break. You deserve a break.
Incoming! Incoming!
Let's go, Clevin. Okay, time to save.
Kelvin. Kelvin.
Guys,
Where is
time
he?
to save.
Where's my boy?
Hey, save and get off. Well, I'm safe. I saved. Wait, did I save? Yeah, I saved.
Where is
I'm
he?
getting off. Bye.
Kelvin. Kelvin!
Is he alive? Dude, how many heads do you guys have? 1,
Can you
2,
make me
3,
some-
4, 5.
Actually, you know what? Take a break, bud. You want to do the outro from here?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video.
That fucking sucked.